Last trading view for 14 July 2021. Yesterday I had mentioned in my trading view that Nifty can be bought with a stop loss at 15,630 for a target of 15,780 levels. Today Nifty moved up by 120 points to close at 15,810 thereabouts. In the process, it formed a small body candle with a long tail and it closed almost at the high point of the day, signaling buying from lower levels. Going forward, one can buy Nifty for an initial target of 15,900 to 920. That is the upper end of the trading range here. If we take a look at the short-term charts, then tomorrow any dip in Nifty towards 15,760, 770 levels can be bought with a stop loss of 15,750 levels. The target on the upper side are 15,850 and 880. At about 15,900, 880 levels, one is advised to take profit and then re-enter the position as and when Nifty closes above 15,920 at the end of the day's session. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty made a smart upside move in today's session. We have a fairly wide-bodied candle being formed today and almost closing at the high point of the day. If 35,800, that is the upside channel, is crossed and stays there for a couple of hours in tomorrow's trade, then one can expect Bank Nifty to move higher. If Bank Nifty closes above 35,800, then positional longs can be initiated in Bank Nifty. When we move on to hourly charts in Bank Nifty, which closed at 35,641 levels today, any 100, 150, 200 point dip towards 35,500 can be bought with a stop loss below 35,400 for initial target of 35,800 on the higher side, and if it trades there for a considerable period of time, then 36,000 can be expected in tomorrow's trade. The first stock in my watch list for tomorrow is HDFC, which has moved up with good volumes today. If Nifty has to move higher, HDFC has to participate. Hence, it's a buy. The second stock in my list today is ICICI Bank, which after a reasonable period of consolidation has broken out of the trading range today. Voltas is the third stock in my buy list, which is a buy at current market price of 1040 for a target of 1060 and a stop loss of 1020. Moving on to derivatives report. Nifty ended the day higher by 120 points to close at 15,812. Minor short covering was seen in Nifty as Nifty rose by 0.75% and open interest going down by 1.5%. Nifty PCR is at 1.05. Put rating was seen at 15,500 and at 15,800. Call buildup is seen at 16,000 and at 15,800. Bank Nifty ended higher by 475 points to close at 35,673. Heavy short covering was seen in Bank Nifty as it moved higher by 1.35% and the open interest going down by a huge 8%. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.1. In today's trade, short covering as well as fresh long positions were opened up by FIIs. They net bought contracts in indices worth 2,573 crores and their open interest coming down by 4,956 contracts. Almost all the contracts were short trades, which they have covered today, and almost equal number of long trades have been initiated. Market breadth was positive. VIX was at 12.62. A look at the FII activity for today's trade. Their net open contracts went down to 1,34,626. Nifty open interest chart for 15th July expiry. We can see almost equal number of puts and calls have been written at 15,800 strike. Granules, Idea, National Aluminium, NMDC, PNB, SAIL, Sun TV, a big list of stocks that are in ban for tomorrow's trade. Thanks for watching. Good night.